Hey, y'all want a Mountain Dew? There's one back there.
Yeah, put a ladder, put a bed up there.
You can help the child up here if you want him to fall off.
Yeah, you know what? If you have no respect for your kid, just place him up here. How's it going, YouTube? It is your boy Plyr here, and in today's video was so this video is kind of all over the place. So yeah, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and be sure to like. 25 to 50, you know what the deal is. Turn on post notifications. If you have been on the channel for quite some time, you have noticed that I've made an update video that announced pretty much everything I'm gonna do. Me and Hagen, we're gonna be hanging out today. We're gonna be looking at some pretty cool things. We're gonna just experience and just kind of hang out. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. He said he loved that rumble.
I love it. Hell nah!
Why not?
Can't you get my laptop?
Oh, your Razor?
Yeah. Hell nah!
I don't think so.
You can play it right there.
How much was that laptop?
We don't need to go there.
We don't need to go there?
We don't need to go there.
Would it lower your credit score?
No.
Yes, it will. Everybody knows that.
No, it won't. Not if you go through Progressive Leasing. Hashtag not sponsored.
Yo, what's going on?
Yeah, bro. Alright, anyway, nice and sunny. So today, I'm not sure what we got planned today, bro. What we got planned today? What we got?
I'm gonna hang out for one, fill my damn tank up. with today's gas prices. Thank you, government. That's a tough one. That requires a short answer response.
All right, well, yeah, so we're gonna keep y'all posted on what we do throughout the day. But I do know we're gonna have a special guest on the video today. My cousin is actually coming along with us. I'll let y'all meet her. It's gonna be a very interesting experience. I don't think she's ever been on camera before, at least for a video like this. I mean, she does. She's done like TikTok and stuff like that, but it's gonna be her first experience being on an actual YouTube video. So I guess we're gonna see how this goes for her. All right. Any more thoughts before we go ahead and jump to the next clip?
Yeah, J cut. All right, guys. You see Mr. Pinky over there? That means that me and him gonna have to freestyle. Hey, how you feel about freestyling?
Freestyle.
Oh man. Oh no.
I'm down for it.
Are you scared?
No, I'm down for it.
No. You have to be down for it, not up, but down.
I sat down, all the way to the ground.
Oh man. So it turns out we're gonna be going to Winder, Georgia. Gonna meet up with a friend, his cousin. Awesome little get together that we're going to be doing, and then we're going to end up, hopefully we're going to have some time to stop by and look at some sheds for our future home. So yeah, we're going to be doing that, and we'll get back with you guys.
Let's go ahead and throw that into the comments. I want y'all to know, if I were to be a rapper, right? If I were to be a rapper or a freestyle, what would my name be? What would my stage name be? What do y'all think my stage name would be? What would be a good combination? Okay, you can use my my YouTube name if you'd like to, my real name, or just throw something out there. Throw some ideas out there for us. Well, that's what I'm pretty curious to see what everyone thinks. What should we do to stay in touch with our fans? You know what I mean? We don't have a way to do that.
No, we don't. So far, it's only Discord. Y'all comment down below. Let's get y'all feedback. Whatever we get the most, we're going to start a community poll whenever we can. And we're going to get all the feedback, and we're going to compile them up, get the results, and then we'll get back with y'all.
Yeah, we got a lot of questions here today. I need to make sure. I want to find out what you guys use the most. If y'all use Instagram, Snapchat, maybe Twitter. I know Instagram's a lot more for pictures. I mean, that can be a good one too.
Yeah, I mean, because thumbnails,
oh yeah,
all kinds of stuff.
But anyway, go ahead and let us know down in the comments section. If we're able to get polls up, we'll get those up too as well.
And also, guys, hate to cut you off, Hagen, but we're also going to be doing some recruitments on the servers on Roblox. You might want to mention a little bit more about that. Was it Liberty City or Liberty County?
Liberty County.
Liberty County on Roblox.
So it's Emergency Response Liberty County. It's just a Roblox game, okay? We're going to be going on to that game, and we're doing some recruiting for our server. All right, we have a Discord server. It's called the UDR. It's going to be called the Underground Gamers. I'm sorry. It's called the Underground Gamers. It's going to be split into several sections. One of them being the UDR, which is it's the United Drivers Republic. It's also going to be divided in subcategories, like the kind of things that you'd like to subdo. I'll explain a little bit better on that topic later on in the video, maybe in a separate vlog, just because it's going to be something related. It's going to be released later on. We're still working on it and getting the kinks worked out on it. So just stay tuned for that as well. Man, we got a lot of updates today, don't we?
It's still going to continue. We're still going to be doing a lot more live streams here pretty soon, because that's going to, you know, keep our channels more consistent.
Yeah.
We're going to do a lot more of those. We're going to have a bunch of more YouTubers, content creators, TikTokers, like I said. We're going to do a lot more collaborations just to have more of an interactive audience.
Anyway, with that being said, y'all, that was the updates. We got plenty more coming. Trust me, we're in the works of a lot, man. I promise y'all are going to like this, okay? Anyway, we got some more content coming for you in this video. We're going to go look at some sheds, like you said.
Yep. Doing a lot of that. I can't wait for y'all to look at them.
We're going to look at those. We're going to figure out what kind of sheds we may need to use to create ourselves our own home studio. All right? That's going to be awesome.
That's the big vlog announcement. That was what we've been waiting on since the update video that has been released on my channel, if y'all been tuning in.
Yeah, so keep, you know, just like I said, we'll keep y'all updated on that throughout the day. So anyway, next stop y'all will see us is going to be where my cousin's at, wherever she's at. Anyway, we're going to go find her, meet up with her, and get y'all to meet her. All right, peace, y'all.
All right, so we're about to go eat at fucking McDonald's. You got this dude, you got this little girl right here.
She went to North.
Look at this little girl with the pink shirt.
Girl,
look at this little girl.
I'm going to knock you.
All right, look at this little girl with the pink shirt.
She's such a poser.
Hold on, we got
So yeah, the Four Musketeers has made it up to the depot, and I'm here with Epic Silence and the rest of the crew.
Anyway,
Interrupting intro, come on.
double vlog, bro. Anyway,
Interrupting Hagen's intro.
interrupting interrupting Armando over here.
Let's make it official, Hagen. You have to get me one of those, because you know I'm never going to be able to afford it even on payment plan. And you work at Nationwide, you're on my side.
Oh, no. You know what?
I got all of that. Just imagine if it was actually VR. Dang.
Yeah, I
don't know. But yeah, guys, this is our first size we've seen. It's 10 by 10. Okay. So what other options do we have over here?
We got 10 by 10.
We have some of these over here. If you don't mind going, up to like over like $5,000-$6,000. These ones.
Oh, it's a tough shed. This is a tough shed.
We don't care about the price right now. Just like I said.
Oh, okay.
It's nice and roomy. It's got vents. It's got a window.
We can literally turn this into a Super Bowl freaking media room right here.
You could turn this into like a house. Like you could live in this.
Yeah, if you want for one person.
Exactly, like a little studio.
This isn't bad either.
This little studio apartment. You can put a
See,
bed.
my idea, right? Like maybe one day, right? See, this is gonna sound crazy, right? This is gonna sound crazy. Okay, get buildings like this. Okay, it's gonna look retarded. It's more of a functionality thing. Okay.
Each one be an individual house. Have one set up with like a little kitchen in it.
No, not even. Well, yeah, we could do that too. But I mean, you'd have to go outside. But imagine getting a bunch of them and putting them together, knocking the doors into them.
Man, they got
well, we could get like a large awning or a pergola set up outside.
So nice
like
and
where
warm.
we all eat together.
so cozy too.
Yeah.
I could already imagine this being like my own little like house.
Mini fridge.
Right by the window because they have them like literally this height.
I have a mini fridge.
Not an easy bake oven though.
Easy bake oven.
Obviously, you have to find somewhere to put
I know.
I can't go in.
Oh shit, he can't go.
Look, we got. Let's move on to the good stuff, y'all. Look at these.
Oh.
Oh, my
Oh, that's a little bit more roomy.
Now this is where we're starting.
12 by
we're starting to talk
16.
here.
Holy crap, now we're talking.
This is something we can work with. You remember when we were at Gavin's house?
Oh yeah, this is pretty much the same size.
Well, no, this is a little bit smaller. Because remember, his had an actual room that branched off of it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
to address the bathroom situation, you can always add on to these.
Yeah.
Like, you can get like 2 or 3 of these.
exactly, that's what I'm talking about.
Just attach
We're
it.
gonna get 2 of these, right? 2 or 3 of these, and knock out the back wall and put it.
Yeah,
Make it a,
maybe adjust the roof so it like comes to.
make it a size where it turns into a single line. Just get it
Yeah.
into a single line. So they're just gonna keep getting deeper the front and the back.
Deeper.
10 by 16, so this is like
Smaller, this is small. It is. Hey, look, it's got a little lot
So, okay.
up there.
So you can house a potential child in here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, put a ladder, put a bed up there.
You can have the child up here if you want him to fall off.
Yeah, you know what? If you have no respect for your kid, just place him up here.
Tell them to watch out for these nails.
Now this one does look pretty big.
12 by 16.
12 by 16. Yeah, you can that's a loft up there. That's a definite loft.
Oh yeah, that you could definitely put a bed up there.
Yeah, you could.
Let's make it a little bit bigger.
I wouldn't do it, no. I would go on the ground.
Like a
Put
12.
cross beams.
Yeah. No, but this would be. See, we'd have to definitely do a lot of insulation though, because of how echoey it is inside these buildings.
Well, that's not really a problem. If we're gonna be living and working in these, we have to put drywall up in.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta put insulation in drywall. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. I like this.
This will be what our little workways are.
Now-
Get like a little fold-out bed.
No, you would.
Imagine this, right? Imagine this. Okay. I'm not sure how we would do this. We probably have to do it this well. Because when we get our studio up and running, right? When we get it up and running, we're gonna have to have a green screen. But we're gonna have to take lighting into consideration because of the windows.
Hey, I have a green screen.
We can get it.
Yeah, I have the screen, but no stand.
My idea.
Hey, y'all want a Mountain Dew? There's one back there.
There's a water bottle. You want some water?
There is a
Man, I want to do this. I can't wait. This is gonna be fun.
$145 a month for this one.
Oh, that's not bad.
all.
Given that my VR headset was $148
You can't
a
live
week
with that.
every 2 weeks.
Jesus.
Imagine that. So I mean, it could be pretty expensive. Okay, but like imagine you get a piece of land, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're able to get a couple of these to use for quarters. You know, so studio, and maybe one for, you know, to live in.
I mean, there was more tough sheds, the same brand that's actually 2 stories, and we've seen them.
Yeah.
But they just don't have them here. It's hard to come by.
Yeah.
But,
I'm surprised. You know,
I'm
this
surprised
is
I've had this much.
This is the one we've been able to come to. You know, this is the first place we stopped that's had this big though.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all. So that's what we're looking at now. We're gonna try and turn one of those into an actual studio. You know, it'd be nice. Thing is,
You know what I am?
We get one of these like this, though. You're gonna have to understand. There's some work to be done because it is opened up.
That's why we have imaginations. That's why we're content creators.
Just get one at a time. Just all live in the tiny workspace.
There it is.
that one little space up there. The tall folks and the short folks on the other side.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can just jump on up there.
Yeah, in the comment section on both sides, how tall do you think he is? If y'all get it right, I'll give y'all $1.
Give him a $10 Robux card.
I did that. I told Wolf, look, whoever can bring the best topic to our stream, you get $10 credits. I got $10. I was gonna give him $10. Well, only one that came to the table was the person that missed the last stream.
So this one's $83 a month for starting price. This is the starting price of, depending on the options, you already know. This one's a good size for a studio. I'll put a table in here, put some chairs, got a table, you know, just in case we want to do some reviews or experimenting. It's vented, a nice little window for it.
It's nice.
Just look at the sounds here. I'll let you go in.
I don't want to pull rice.
So like the restroom would be in here. Like you can put it right here.
Yeah.
And then this will be the small living room. Kitchen can be here. You can build that. TV would be around that area. Or yeah, I mean anywhere you want. But you can, I mean once when this is furnished out, and then you got the stairs. You can obviously get railing when you're done. Okay, me see how the floors. Okay. Yeah, I'm 6'3", and I can put my hand all the way right there. Got a pretty nice, you know, cozy feel to it, kind of like a log cabin. But yeah, you can definitely fit probably a queen, king or so. Probably a smaller bed right next to it, but that'd kind of be a little crowded. But yeah, I would say this is pretty much like a lofty apartment.